A day in town. It's Saturday. Tom, Ben, and Sue are showing the new student Julie around the town. She doesn't know anything about the town. The town is big, and there are lots of buildings and important places. For example, the town hall, the church, the police station, and the museum. There is a beautiful park and an old castle, too. The fun fair is the place that the kids like the most. Julie looks around happily. The kids are enjoying the trip in the town. Julie is talking to Tom and his friends and asking them questions. Julie: I love reading books. Where's the library, Tom? Tom: over there, next to the barber's. Ben: I have lots of toys. Julie: me too. Where's the toy shop? Ben: it's opposite the train station. It's on Plum Street. Sue: I love swimming, Julie. What about you? Julie: it is my favorite activity. Where's the pool? Sue: it's between the supermarket and the church. We can go swimming together. Julie: great idea. The friends are playing in the park. Julie's mom calls her cell phone. Julie's mom: hi, Julie. Julie: hi, Mom. Julie's mom: where are you? Julie: I am at the park. I am playing with my friends. Julie's mom: okay, have fun. Don't be late. Julie: thanks, Mom. See you later. Julie's mom: bye. Julie joins her friends, and they go on playing. Tom is running after Sue, and Ben is waving at them. They look very happy. Julie is glad that she has good friends. Later on, the friends are walking to the cinema and talking to each other. They see a young girl. She asks Tom a question. Young girl: excuse me, is there a sweet shop around here? Tom: yes, there is. Young girl: how can I get to the sweet shop? Tom: go straight ahead and walk past the bakery and turn right on Lamb Street. The sweet shop is next to the pharmacy. Young girl: thank you. Tom: you're welcome. The friends go to the cinema. They have a good time watching the film and eating some popcorn. Tom and Julie say goodbye to Ben and Sue. Ben walks home with Sue. They live close to the park on Toll Tree Road. Tom walks with Julie to the bus stop. She lives outside the city center. At the bus stop, a dog starts barking at Tom. He tells Julie that he is asking a question. Julie: what is he asking now? Tom: where is my food? Julie: oh, does he know you? Tom: yes, we always feed him. Julie: how nice. They both laugh. The bus arrives. Julie gets on the bus and goes home.
Hadi şimdi hikayemizde geçen önemli sözcüklerin Türkçe anlamlarını söyleyelim. Now let's say the Turkish meanings of the important words in our story.
Police station. Cinema. Zoo. Train station. Pool. Library. Mosque. Pharmacy. Church. Toy shop. Town hall. Sweet shop. Important. Castle. Funfair. Have fun. Run after. Wave. Laugh. Bark. Feed. Arrive.
Bizi izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Lütfen kanalımıza abone olmayı ve beğeni atmayı unutmayalım.